Hey guys, how are y'all doing? Hey, this is Wanda. Look, I recently got into diamond painting. So I've basically been dealing with round diamonds. Okay. Well, I've been learning a lot about the diamonds and we call them drills and stuff like that. So I have been a little bit peculiar or a little bit kind of wanting to know about square drills. Really, I'm almost afraid to try the square drills. So I started going online. I've been hearing about Diamond Art Club and all like that, but I know Walmart sells diamond dots, and I realized that they do sell some diamond painting kits from Diamond Art Club. So I went online and I everything that I've been looking at thus far has been round diamonds or round drills. All the kits. So one I saw in the beginning, not knowing nothing about diamond painting. I'm like, no, I don't want to do that. I don't want to do that. So this one came up on I think Sunday night. I couldn't believe it. It was a square. It's a diamond kit with square drills, and that was the welcome home. What was the home sweet home um diamond diamond kit. Well, yesterday I went into work trying to find that it was only one, and I was so happy. And I picked it up. Well, lo and behold, I've been keeping my eye on that whole area because we are marking some of the kits down on clearance and some on rollback. Y'all know Walmart with the rollback, but a lot of them are on clearance. But when I saw the Home Sweet Home sign for as far as the diamond painting kit, and guess what? It's by Diamond Art Club. Well, when I picked that up, I found something else. And this is new. Okay, what this is from Diamond Art Club. So I got me a little premium kit, but this is mini Dazzles seasons, plus the frame ready. So this is a set of six, and it was only like $10. Y'all, this is square drills. So that way I get a chance. I got six things that I can practice my as far as placing square drills. Now I could have bought the Home Sweet Home kit, and I'm thinking that was like 12. But I'm gonna share this. This kit comes with a bee, a cocoa, a popsicle. My coworker already said she wants the popsicle, so I'm bringing it to work to you, for you. Got the pumpkin, the tulars, and the winter bird. So and so let me see. They say the kit. I'm trying to see what the kit contains. Let me try to. Okay, I know it contains the canvas. It contains. I'm looking on the back of it. The stack up a tray with the lid. Oh, that's gonna be new for me because I've been just getting that little customary tray. Um, why don't I open it up with y'all? How about that? Yeah, for real. Hold on. I don't have my what do you call it? Okay. Okay. We're gonna go and open it. Okay. So this is an unboxing. I wasn't going. So it says it contains six canvases, superior quality diamonds, a twist and pick applicator with the wax and the multi-placers, plural, a stackable tray with lid and stopper, and then an inventory sheet with pre-cut sticker labels and 15 resealable bags. We finna open this up right now. I wasn't even gonna do this. I'm so ooh. Okay, y'all. So I've been waiting. I've been wanting. I've been wanting. This is from the Diamond Art Club. This is thank you for your purchase. And what's inside of here? Just instructions. Instructions. I'm gonna seal this back up. I got it from Diamond Art Club with the lid down. Okay, so these are our drills. These are our drills. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait, y'all. I cannot wait. Okay, we're gonna break it on down. I hadn't even planned on unboxing this. I'm so happy to have something from Diamond Art Club, y'all. Oh my goodness. So, ooh, this is our tray for our diamonds. Oh my gosh. Okay, and the wax. Oh, I got a multi-placer. It's a 7 multi-placer. How I know is because it got the number 7 on the back of it. Got my wax. I love this tray. This is so different from the other trays. Got the little stopper right here. Just shimmy your diamonds. Okay, hold on. One multi-placer. Here go our stylus. Ooh, with the twist tip. And another multi-placer. This does 4. Then look at our pen, y'all. Oh, I'm so damn. Oh, I'm so happy. I got me some Diamond Art Club. Oh man. Okay. Then okay. Let's see what else we got in here. Got our little baggie, toolkit. Yes. This is everything you need. I'm so happy to have a piece of this. And then, here are our bags. I think it said it was like 15. So again, okay, hold on. I'm missing some. Silly me. Okay, these are our 6 kits. Okay. I wasn't intending. I wasn't even. I was just playing. Okay, I was just for real. I was just playing. I was so happy to see. I'm serious. I took it up a notch, y'all. Ooh. So we got the Oh, isn't this nice? Oh my goodness. So hold on. This is nice. And it's square drills. I like this. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is the bird. Oh, here is what my coworker wants to work on. Okay. Pumpkin. I think that's pretty. Oh my goodness. Cocoa. Cup of cocoa. I think with a peppermint stick. So, and then right here. Yeah, I am so excited to have a piece of I'm I'm part to I'm happy to have Diamond Art Club in my stash. And this kit only costed me, like I say, it was 10. If I rounded up to the nearest whole dollar, it was $10. And like I say, this is gonna give me a chance to get and these are definitely square drills. Hold on, let me see something. These are square versus round. Okay. Well, these are all the drills that I'm gonna need. Well, hey, gonna open them up because oh my goodness, these are all my drills. Ooh, Z580, Z739, 437, 433, 666, 900, 349, 7166, 317, 741, 471, 957, 352, 413, 581, 415, 720, 762, 351, 740. Y'all, this is the first part. Oh my goodness. So, oh my God. Wow, y'all. Hey, I cannot wait. So, tomorrow, I'm gonna work with my coworker. This is my first time doing square diamonds. I was in debating whether to do this or the welcome the home sweet home sign, which it does come with its own door hanger, so you can place it on, hang it up once you're done. So, my coworker, she will be getting. She said she'll try it. She wants the popsicle. So guess what? I'm gonna take the popsicle to her tomorrow. I'm not gonna try anything. It's like almost 2 o'clock in the morning, y'all. So she's gonna get the popsicle. The pumpkin. So she's gonna get this. But I got Diamond Art Club in my stash. And this, like I said, this is going to give me a chance to practice on doing square drills. So I'm so excited, y'all. And it didn't cost much. And I get to share this out with someone. So, okay, guys, that concludes this video. And I thank y'all for watching, taking the time to watch me to unbox this. I was not going to even do that. I wasn't. I just was happy. But anyway, y'all have a blessed night, and I'll be back with you. Okay, bye bye for now.